हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट PYQs ऑफ मुस्लिम लॉ। और लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ मुस्लिम गोज टू एनी कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। राइट आंसर इज विद एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ओबेइंग द लॉज ऑफ द कंट्री कंसर्न विच इंक्लूड्स पर्सनल लॉ। Second question is where a Muslim male or Muslim female contract their marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954. Muslim personal law. Answer is does not apply. Question number 3. Under the Shia law, if the husband has capacity to speak but announcing talaq in writing, the talaq is. Answer is void. Under the Muslim law, marriage is regarded as a. Answer is contract. Fifth question is the essential condition of a gift under Muslim law is. Option A, declaration by donor. B, acceptance by donee. C, delivery. D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Sixth question is waqf can be made by. Answer is a Muslim only. Seventh question is how many witnesses are essential at the time of marriage in Shia law? Answer is no witness. Eighth question is what is the recognition of muta marriage among Sunni Muslim? Answer is void. Ninth question is under Sunni law, if husband gives talaq under coercion, intoxication and job, this talaq is. Answer is valid. 10th question is what minimum amount is fixed for dower amongst Sunni Muslims? Right answer is the 10 dirhams. Next question is a Sunni Muslim marries with Kitabiya girl. The marriage is. Answer is valid. Next question is dower is A, essential including of marriage. B, considerable to the marriage. C, mark of respect to the wife. D, all of the above. The right answer is D, all of the above. 12th 13th question is under Muslim law a will may be made of. Answer is only 1/3 of the property. Fourth question is the dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 gives the right of judicial divorce on any of the grounds mentioned in it too. Right answer is wife only. गाइज यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं लिखे हैं, केवल आंसर लिखा है. 15 question is if a Shia male marries with a Sunni female, the marriage will be Sahi. Which of the following is not personal matter within the meaning of Section 2 of the Shariat Act 1973? Answer is preemption. Next question is widow's rights of retention for non-payment of her dower is her. Answer is personal right. On the ground of fosterage, a Muslim marriage is. Answer is void. Next question is Talaqul Widdat is recognized by the. Answer is Sunnis. Next question is which statement regarding gift under Muslim law is correct? Answer is gift can be made orally and writing in both ways. Next question is one of the following has no right of preemption in Muslim law. Right answer is Safiye Meherban. Next question is A creates a waqf of rupees 40,000 for 25 years in Muslim law. The waqf is. Answer is void. A Muslim makes a deathbed gift of his half property to his son. What will be the effect of this gift? Answer is invalid. Next question is a son in Muslim law is entitled to. Answer is a residuary heir. Next question is who said divorce good in law though bad in theology? Right answer is Justice Amir Ali. Next question is which one of the following is not a primary source of Muslim law? Right answer is Sharia. Next question is Quran provides the best procedure for divorce. Who made this statement? Right answer is Justice Kuldeep Singh. So friends, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. Thank you.